Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a KuCoin API key. This key acts as a secure bridge, allowing external applications like trading bots or portfolio trackers to connect with your KuCoin account. Understanding its function and how to manage it safely is essential for anyone looking to automate their crypto activities or integrate with third-party services. We'll walk through the process step by step. To begin, log into your KuCoin account and locate the API management section, usually found under your profile settings. Here, you will click the Create API button. You'll need to give your new API key a descriptive name and set a strong API passphrase. Once created, KuCoin will display your API key and secret key. Remember, the secret key is shown only once, so save it immediately. After generating your keys, it's vital to configure the permissions. You can choose what actions your API key can perform, like viewing account information, placing orders, or withdrawing funds. Always grant only the minimum necessary permissions to reduce risk. For example, if you only need to view balances, do not enable withdrawal permissions. Also, ensure your secret key is stored securely and never shared. With your API key and secret, you can now integrate them into your desired application or trading bot. Always double-check that you are using a trusted platform. For ongoing security, make it a habit to regularly review your active API keys on KuCoin. Delete any keys that are no longer in use to prevent unauthorized access. Also, for other great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.